Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 best vlogging cameras of 2023. Whether you are a beginner or a professional vlogger, you need a good camera that can capture your moments in high quality and with ease. That's why we have researched and gathered information about the top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2023 for you. We will review their features, pros and cons, and prices to help you make the best choice for your needs. And don't forget, you can find links to each product in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started with our list. Number 5. GoPro Hero 11. This camera features a larger new image sensor that delivers an immersive, extra-large field of view. It comes with a carrying case, Enduro rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mounts, mounting buckle plus thumb screw and USB-C cable. The Hero 11 Black not only features the largest image sensor GoPro has ever had, clocking in at 1/1.9 inch, but it unlocks an entirely new aspect ratio. It still shoots video up to at 5.3K resolution, but now it can shoot in an 8:7 aspect ratio. The camera automatically uploads footage to the cloud plus get a highlight video when charging. The Hero 11 Black also features HyperSmooth 4.0 video stabilization technology that delivers gimbal-like stabilization without the gimbal. It also has Time Warp 3.0, which allows you to capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while moving through an activity. The Hero 11 Black is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without a housing and has improved low-light performance with night-lapse video. The camera also has a front-facing screen that makes framing shots and vlogging easier than ever before. The Hero 11 Black is compatible with the Max Lens mod, Light mod, Display mod and Media mod, so you can customize your camera to fit your needs. So if you're looking for a camera that can capture more of your adventures and experiences, then the GoPro Hero 11 Black is definitely worth checking out. Number 4. Sony Alpha ZV10. The camera features a 24MP APS-C sensor with Bion's X image processor that produces high-quality images with high sensitivity, detailed texture rendering, and beautiful natural bokeh. It also has an articulating selfie screen with touch capability, 4K video capture, headphone and microphone ports. The camera can be used as an online communication tool, a live streaming camera, taking advantage of its large sensor and built-in mic. The ZV10 is a very likable little camera that doesn't really break any new ground technically, and even ditches a few features that stills photographers would like to have, but for novice vloggers it's a pretty good camera. It has 4K video, Sony's excellent autofocus system, a vari-angle screen and a clip-on muffler to cut wind noise. The autofocus system is particularly impressive. It uses Sony's real-time IAF technology to track your eyes and keep them in focus even when you're moving around. This makes it easy to create professional-looking videos without having to worry about whether you're in focus or not. Another great feature of the ZV10 is its vari-angle screen. This allows you to see yourself while you're filming, which makes it much easier to frame your shots and make sure you're getting the right angle. In conclusion, Sony Alpha ZV10 is an excellent choice for vloggers who want to produce high-quality videos without breaking the bank. With its impressive autofocus system and vari-angle screen, it's easy to use and produces great results. Number 3. Fujifilm XS10. The XS10 is an interesting camera in that Fujifilm has taken a number of high-end features and packed them into a considerably smaller body. It's considerably lighter than the X-T4 and is also smaller in width, shorter, but interestingly, deeper. It packs much of the Fujifilm X-T4's shooting power into a smaller body with in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and great handling. The camera also has high-resolution 4K output that is oversampled from pure 6K data, easy-to-use recording modes, and intuitive controls. The XS10 has great image quality, strong video quality and features, and fast burst speeds for capturing fast action. It also has a deeper hand grip than the X-T30, so it pairs a bit better with bigger zoom lenses. The camera's IBIS system is one of its standout features. It provides up to 6 stops of stabilization. This means that you can shoot handheld at slower shutter speeds without worrying about camera shake. The XS10 also has a fully articulating touchscreen LCD that makes it easy to shoot from any angle. It also has a built-in microphone jack and headphone jack for audio monitoring. In conclusion, the Fujifilm XS10 is one of the best small mid-range mirrorless cameras you can buy. It's perfect for those who want to take their photography to the next level without breaking the bank. Number 2. Sony ZV1. The Sony ZV1 is a compact camera that is designed for vloggers and content creators. It has a megapixel 1-inch sensor and AMMF lens. It also has a flip-out touchscreen display that can be used for selfies and vlogging. The camera can shoot K video at up to frames per second. It also has a built-in microphone that can be used for recording audio. If you're looking for a camera that's perfect for vlogging, then the Sony ZV1 is definitely worth considering. With its compact size, high-quality lens, and advanced features, it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants to create high-quality video content. To write a script for a YouTube video about this product, you could start by introducing the camera and its features. You could then talk about how it's designed specifically for vloggers and content creators, and how its advanced features make it easy to create high-quality video content. You could also talk about how easy it is to use the camera, thanks to its flip-out touchscreen display and intuitive controls. And you could highlight some of the camera's key features, such as its K video recording capabilities and built-in microphone. Overall, the Sony ZV1 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to create high-quality video content. Whether you're a professional vlogger or just starting out, this camera has everything you need to create stunning videos that will capture your audience's attention. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix GH6. A micro Four Thirds camera with a 25.2 megapixel live MOS sensor that doesn't have a low-pass filter, which means it displays more pixels and higher resolution for ultra-realistic details. The GH6 can shoot a vast range of 4K focused video modes, including slow motion from 120 frames per second capture, full sensor open gate / anamorphic shooting, and capture in industry standard formats such as ProRes 422 and 422 HQ. It also offers various 10-bit all-intro recording modes for high-end editing, so you can record FHD 240p/200p HFR video and FHD 240 frames per second VFR, variable frame rate, video. With VFR, you can record up to 12.5x super slow motion videos, FHD 10-bit 24p/300 fps. The camera has a higher speed that results in C4K/4K 120p video recording and burst shooting at 75 frames per second using an electronic shutter. The camera has a new autofocus system that uses deep learning technology to detect human faces and eyes with high precision and speed. It also has advanced image stabilization technology that compensates for cameras shake up to 6 stops. The GH6 has a rugged design that is dust and splash resistant, making it perfect for outdoor shooting. It also has a large OLED viewfinder with a magnification ratio of approximately 1.52x/0.76x, 35mm camera equivalent, and a high-resolution rear monitor with touch control. In conclusion, Panasonic Lumix GH6 is an excellent camera for videographers who want to capture high-quality footage with a wide range of options. It's perfect for those who want to take their video production to the next level. And that's it for our video on the 5 best vlogging cameras of 2023. We hope you learned something new and got inspired to start or improve your own vlogging journey. If you liked this video, please show us some love by smashing that like button and sharing it with your fellow vloggers. And if you don't want to miss out on any of our future videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel LenCo recommendations and ring that bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we drop a new video. We really appreciate your support and feedback, so feel free to leave us a comment below and tell us what you think of these cameras. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, keep vlogging and have fun.